What's up, y'all? I'm Madison Payne and welcome to another video. If you're new here and you love beauty and style, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this all the time. But in today's video, I'm really focusing on high-end name brand gifts for less. Gift giving season brings out one of my very favorite things, and that is gift sets. This is the perfect time of the year to consider more luxury products at a fraction of the price. So big thank you to Nordstrom for partnering with me to bring you guys some of my favorite brands today. I'm gonna have everything linked below in the description box, and now without further ado, let's get into the video. So first up, I have the Beauty Blender Sponge and Cleansing Bar for only $20. The normal retail value of just the Beauty Blender is 20 bucks on its own. So getting this little ornament set is like getting the little cleanser bar for free. This is a vegan cleanser that can be used to remove makeup from the sponge, as well as your makeup brush. The original Beauty Blender is a 2019 Allure Best in Beauty winner. It continues to be the standard for makeup sponges, and at $20, this is a great little gift. You can use it as a little ornament to hang on the tree. That was one of my favorite things that my mom used to do when I was growing up. We would have opened all of our presents and she would still have some hidden in the tree. She would kind of pull up, but wait, there's more. You could also put this in a stocking, and this is an item that you can just never have too many of, and any beauty lover will really appreciate this. Next, I have the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet gift set. This is $19. Glam Glow is one of the leaders in skincare, and each one of their sheet masks normally starts at about $9 a mask. So this is a trio of their popular charcoal sheet mask that does help to brighten and detoxify your skin. I love this mask, and it's perfect if you're planning a night out to get your face nice and smooth before applying makeup, or it can be used at the end of the day to help rehydrate and keep your face feeling soft and supple. It's fragrance free, which I have sensitive skin, so that is a must have for me. And you just apply it onto damp skin and it will start to foam and bubble as it lifts the grime off of your day. It does have green tea extract and an amino acid to help give you an instant brightening treatment. This would be great in the gift package just to give one person, or you can break them up and give them separately to your favorite girlfriends for a little spa type gift. Okay, I know we're all wearing masks right now, but y'all, it is the holiday season, so it is still time to sparkle. This is the MAC Fireworked Lip Glass set, and it's only $18.50. This is an awesome deal on a MAC product, and it has the cutest packaging. They have several different options, by the way, for different holiday sets. I just went with this one, but honestly, you cannot go wrong with any of them, and they're all in a very reasonable price point. This is a high shine gloss that can be worn over a lip pencil or a lipstick, or you can even wear it by itself. These are 3 extremely wearable colors, and these do contain jojoba oil to condition your lips. A regular size tube of this retails for about $18, so you're getting to try all 3 for that same price point. MAC also has a fantastic 9 eyeshadow palette that I want to get my hands on. They are gorgeous wearable colors, so I will also link that one below. So I wanted to include this mini mask pouch that retails for about $10. This is a 4x5, and it comes in black as well as blush and blue. It does have a snap closure on it, and it also has a ring that can be attached to a handbag, keys, belts. This is perfect if you're having to take off your mask to eat or something, and it'll give you a sanitary place for it to be. Awesome to give people in the workplace. I know I'm going to use it with my Slip mask all of the time. These are also sold at Nordstrom. If you're not familiar with the Slip brand, they are it when it comes to silk pillowcases, silk eye mask, even silk hair scrunchies, which I personally have, and I love them. Some of their items retail from $75 to $100+ dollars. So the Slip mask being $39 is a more affordable item from their line. This would also be a really fantastic gift just because someone might not buy it for themselves, but we're pretty much all wearing masks right now, and these are 100% worth it. I actually have 4 of them, so I do highly recommend these as well. Okay, y'all, there are gift sets, and then there are gift sets. This one does ring in at $75 with any Este Lauder purchase, but oh my goodness, you are getting so much stuff in this, worth close to $500. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It is this gorgeous red, what I'm assuming is a cosmetics case. If it's not, that's what I will be using mine for. You are getting all these goodies, including a full size of the popular Advanced Night Repair Serum that does cost $75 by itself. Every beauty publication at some time or another has raved about this product, and if you haven't had an opportunity to try it, now is the time. It does also come with a full size of the Advanced Eye Supercharged Complex, which normally retails for $64, and it was a winner of Allure Magazine's Best of Beauty Award. This gift set also includes 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 blush palette, and 2 lipsticks with matching lip glosses, one of which is the perfect Christmas red, and also the shade Knockout Nude, which is what I have on. I think this is a gorgeous natural wearable color. You either need to gift this to someone that you really like or self-gift. This is just such an amazing deal. And just kind of as an honorable mention, the Estee Lauder product that I used to be my qualifying purchase for the gift set is the Double Wear Foundation. I've been wearing this off and on since high school, and every time I buy a new bottle of it, I'm like, why did I stop wearing this? This is truly the perfect foundation. I mean, my skin underneath this right now, y'all, is looking a mess, but you cannot tell. It's full coverage, but it's not as cakey as other foundations. This is $43 a tube. 100% worth every penny, and I do get mine in the shade 2C3 Fresco. And I'm actually wearing my next favorite right now. It's this limited edition set that includes a NARS blush and highlighting powder in my favorite color of blush, Orgasm. A NARS full-size blush costs about $30, so you are getting this little duo for $24. I love getting smaller duos for when I travel or something just to carry in my purse. This particular color is a lot of women's holy grail because it looks good on every complexion. With just a touch of peach pinky shimmer, I topped it off with a highlighting powder on my cheekbones and down my nose. I love this cute ornament style packaging too. It's so adorable. Nordstrom has a few different selections of their Christmas ornament duos for this year. Another one of my favorites is this lip balm mini duo in two of their best-selling shades. These balms are loaded with antioxidants that are going to help nourish your lips. They are paraben, sulfate, and fragrance-free. That set is $22, and it comes in a silver ornament style package. They also have some that aren't the ornament, but are just NARS gift sets that I'm going to link below too, because they are all awesome, and any beauty lover that you're buying for is going to love any of them. So now let's get into Beauty Bio. I have been singing their praises for years. I like every single product they make. They are hands down my favorite skincare brand. I just had to include something from them in the beauty gift guide. This set is $45, and if you haven't tried it or you have a skincare lover on your Christmas list, this is perfect. This is the time to dip your toe in the water with this luxury brand at a fraction of the cost. This set comes with the Paint and Peel smoothing mask. That 1 ounce, the same 1 ounce size, retails for $45. This little bottle contains 30 facial peels to help with fine lines, helps to brighten your skin, and leave you with a velvety soft face while reducing your pores. It's loaded with awesome ingredients, but glycolic and lactic acid are the main ingredients that I personally look for when I'm trying to smooth my skin texture and help plump up fine lines. This is best to use at night, and I start with cleansing my face, brushing on a thin coat of the product, and wait about 20 minutes. It's gonna look glazed on the skin. It's not like a sheet that will peel off all in one. It normally comes off in sections for me, and then I clean the rest with just a wet washcloth, and then you can apply the rest of your nightly skincare routine. This gift set also includes a 2 ounce bottle of the cleanser, a spa headband, and this adorable cosmetic bag. I love this, and I just love Beauty Bio. Okay, I have your perfect stocking stuffer this year, as well as a gift for your favorite traveler in your life. This is a wellness kit from Pinch Provision, and it costs $20. I bought it in the pink, but it also comes in a navy that would be perfect for a man or a woman. And y'all, this looks small, but they have put a lot in here. It does have a 2-ply adjustable face mask. It does have some hand sanitizer in it, as well as you get some hand sanitizer in the towelette version, some facial tissue, and a forehead strip thermometer. This is the same company that also has an Errands Kit, a Home for the Holidays Roadtrip Kit, and a few others in the same price range that I will link below in the description box. I just love this kind of gifting because it really works for anyone. Y'all, I love this next item. It's from Sigma, and it's the Essential Trio for only $29. It is a trio of their best-selling makeup brushes. This single brush by itself is normally $23, so this is an amazing price. The gift set also comes with the E25 brush. This is my favorite eye blending brush. I have multiples of these. I highly recommend. And then of course just an eye shading brush. I love it in this rose gold color, and this metal tube is perfect for the pink lover on your list. Okay, I know this is a beauty guide, but I cannot talk Nordstrom and luxury gifts without mentioning Barefoot Dreams. You've probably heard so many people talking about it, and I really didn't understand the hype until I felt upon this, and it is absolutely amazing. They are worth the hype. It's great if you're trying to hit a higher price point. One of my best friends is getting married, and I'm giving her a Barefoot Dreams as her wedding gift. It's also a really nice family combined gift, and everyone is going to love getting a Barefoot Dreams blanket. They also have cardigans, socks, slippers. There's even a guy's zip up now, and holiday season is a great time to look for Barefoot Dreams being on sale. So I'm going to share in the description box any deals that Nordstrom has right now for Barefoot Dreams. Be sure to follow me over on my Like to Know It account and anything else on Nordstrom that goes on sale from Barefoot Dreams. I will post there ASAP. I'm watching like a hawk also for myself because I love Barefoot Dreams. My cardigan that I have on in today's video is also Barefoot Dreams. All right, y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope this got you inspired for the beauty lover in your life, or to give yourself a nice little self-care treat. Thanks again, Nordstrom, for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me today. I will see y'all in the next one.